Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I wanted to share my Dollar Tree haul. I haven't done these in a while because I really wasn't buying anything that was spectacular and worth showing, but I have a bunch of really cool things today. But before we get into it, let me mention that I did create two Easter spring videos. They're two dupes. One is a Hobby Lobby dupe, and I think that this is so cute. And another one is a Michaels dupe, so I will link them below if you haven't seen them. If you're interested in seeing them, I'll link it in the description as well as a pinned comment. So let me get right into showing you some of the cool things that I found. So this time around, Dollar Tree has put out some really beautiful greenery. So this is just foliage, and I think this is really cool because usually they're pretty great when it comes to flowers, but their greenery is kind of lacking. So they had this stuff. They had stuff that looked a little bit like that boxwood, whatever it's called. You know what I mean. And this brings a whole lot. I regret to inform y'all that Walmart has raised prices on our beloved greenery and their flowers. So now the lavender, which I love so much, is $1.47. Not too bad and still totally worth it because it's gorgeous. But just so y'all know, Walmart has raised those prices. So Dollar Tree has this. Another floral item that I really love this time of year are the roses. I'm not really a rose type of girl, but around this time they have the most beautiful colors. This time I just got pink, but they have some ombre looking ones, not ombre, but they're like peachy with like darker pink on the outside and the opposite of that. They also have these pretty little fillers. These are baby's breath? Okay. And then they have the wildflowers, which I've been using in a ton of tutorials. I didn't buy any more. Another thing that I found that was really, really cool this time around are these 11 by 14 artist canvases. Usually Dollar Tree has 8 by 10, and that is the biggest size, but this time they have a nice large one. I wish it would have been the one with the wood trim. This one is flat, but you can always get an 11 by 14 picture frame from Dollar Tree and couple them together if you have a project in mind. This just really makes me excited because that means that they're going to be expanding more craft items. I was really psyched when I saw that Dollar Tree had its own little makeup line, especially since I really loved the artwork on this. So they have this called Remy Rose. They've had it for a while because when I searched this up, I had seen other reviews from other YouTubers. So I got the liquid lip in the shade Carmen, Sophia, Kristen, and just kidding, I got 2 in Kristen. So these are gorgeous. I haven't tried them on the lip just yet, but liquid lip is usually a little bit on the drying side. I always put a little bit of chapstick on top. And will I live swatch them? Hold on, because I don't think you're going to be able to see that. So here is, who is this? This is Kristen. Kristen is gorgeous. Hey girl. So Kristen is really pretty. We're going to put Kristen back in her pack. And I do have another Kristen, so I will save her to the side so when I actually have enough goodies to give away. Now let's look at Sophia. Sophia is more on the reddish brown tone, I guess. At least that's what it looks like in... Okay, so can you see? Yeah. Ooh. This is Sophia. And I'm not a beauty guru, so sorry for the swatches. And here is Carmen. So Carmen is supposed to be a really vampy color, and when I look at it in the tube, it looks purple. Whoa. So yeah, it is pretty much a purple. I'll zoom into all 3 of these colors. But for dollar store lipsticks, these are really pretty. I will tell you this, the purple does look very blotchy, whereas the other colors do look a lot more even. But as we all know, purple is a really, really hard color to make any type of makeup in. So they do have other colors, but they're just colors that didn't complement my skin tone, but be on the lookout, they do have their own little thing. In the craft aisle, I found some chalk markers, chalk markers. Great for chalkboards, dry erase boards, window, glass, mirror, and ceramic, which is pretty amazing because these are actually a little bit pricey. I haven't tried them. Some chalk markers are wonderful and some just look like water. So I will definitely try these out and let you know how they are. I'll probably try them out when I zoom. Okay, I just want to come on here and say this doesn't feel like any marker at all. The tip almost looks like a crayon or an oil pastel. So I realized it says it's a chalk writer and it's also wet, erasable, and dust proof, which is amazing if you have allergies. Definitely recommend this. 10 out of 10 would buy again. I've hauled this before and I can see why it's at Dollar Tree. Not a lot of people want the snooky look, but I actually really love this, especially if you have curly hair, and it is the Conair High Styles Volume and Lift. So this right here is just a little thing that you just kind of put on your head and then you cover it with hair just to give you a little bit of volume. Usually what I like to do with this is I like to take some extensions or clip-ins and wrap it around just so you can't see the little clips when you put your hair on top. It's a great way of getting volume and not having it be completely obvious that you're wearing a little piece on there. And this can also be used for crafts. Just keep that in mind. Another Conair item is this Fishtail Braider. I cannot braid to save my life. Even when I was in beauty school, it just was not my forte. So I saw this and I thought it was really cool. I've never used this before and I am really excited to use this. I'm kind of wondering if the fact that this is hot pink will show through your hair, but it kind of seems like it won't based on the pictures. But then again, there's such thing as Photoshop. So hopefully one day when I finally straighten my hair, I'll try this out, let you know how it works. This is really cool. This is a Sassy and Chic gel polish remover tool. I don't think you understand how excited I am to see this. Every time I have gel polish on and I'm going to remove it, I always use my cuticle pushers, but the fact that there is a separate tool that is angled specifically for you to do this, it's so convenient and so perfect. This is also great for removing acrylic. So once you dip your acrylics in acetone, which Dollar Tree also sells 100% acetone, you can just take this every few minutes and help the process by pushing this back. So I'm really psyched that they have this. They also have a few other things. I saw somebody haul a drill. I wouldn't really use that, but Dollar Tree does have like some acrylic stuff going on. Don't use that. Just don't use that. But this is really cool. I was able to find some jewelry at Dollar Tree. This isn't the first time either. Randomly throughout the year, random Dollar Trees that I go to sometimes sprinkle jewelry in, and I found these really pretty hoops. Hoops are hoops. I don't care if they're cheap. I don't care if they're expensive. I don't really think anybody can tell how much your hoops cost once they're on. So I like that they bring 3 pairs, medium to really small. To me, this is considered a medium because I used to wear like big, you can shoot a hoop through there kind of hoops. So this is really nice. I love that it is 3 sizes, and they had a few others. If I have a clip, I'll definitely insert it. These are all of the jewelry options that I found at my Dollar Tree, but I did hear that some have rings, necklaces, and bracelets as well, and they come in both gold and silver. In the hair aisle, I also found some really fun gems. This is a scrunchie with a little scarf tied to it. When I was going on my cruise, I bought a few things like this from Forever 21, and they were $3 a piece. And although they are beautiful and I love the pattern, or whatever it's called, I really love that you have the option of using a Dollar Tree one. So you just put it around your thing, usually with a ponytail, and just gives you a little bit of flair, especially on a bad hair day. It makes your ponytail feel a little fancy, or you can always just remove the scarf and use it for whatever you want. Same thing for scrunchies. They had these little Scrunchie brand, I'm sure I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, scrunchies that have pearls on them. I love these ouchless kinds, which don't have the little metal piece. They're wonderful for curly hair, for any type of hair really. And they remind me a lot of when I cut up my socks to use them as scrunchies. I do that all the time. Whenever I have a brand new sock that I just lost the pair to, I'll always just cut it up into pieces and use that as a scrunchie. So this is just cute. With my hair, you won't be able to see the little pearls, but still a nice thought. I'll probably use this for Aria. I love when Dollar Tree stocks up on their stationery, and my favorite is when they add the gold stuff. Sometimes they add rose gold, and this time around they had these little things with tassels. Look how cute these are. These are absolutely adorable. They didn't have anything else, but I know that sooner or later they're going to start popping in more of the gold stuff. Our Dollar Trees are no longer offering plastic bags. They have been charging for bags for a long time here where I live. So it's nice to see them put bigger, nicer bags out. And this time I found this one that says, "Keep moving forward." Oh my goodness. It says "Keep moving forward." I love this font. Dollar Tree is getting super trendy with it. So this one says "Keep moving forward." Then I have this one, "Be your own kind of beautiful." Look at these fonts. It looks like something you would have bought on Etsy. And I just bought another one of these just to keep in my bag. I'm sorry, in my car. So when I do go to Dollar Tree, I'm not just, you know what I mean. They also have some of the red totes and the black totes that they used to have before, but they're a lot wider. I do have one, I'm staring at it, but it's right across the room. But just know, be on the lookout, their totes are a lot wider now. This was one of the best finds ever, and it's microfiber placemats for your pets. Nugget is my English bulldog, and she makes a mess whenever she drinks water. So yeah, whenever I buy her the little thingies, they get full of hair. When I wash them, they get all funky. So the fact that this is $1 actually makes me really happy. So I got this one that's blue and white, and this adorable one with 2 doggies on them. And as you know, I have 2 dogs, Gigi, my little Shih Tzu Yorkie mix, and Nugget, the English Bulldog. So I thought this was so cute. And now I can not feel bad when they make it all dingy. When I bought all of my wood cutouts, all I could find were the carrots and the little chickies, and I was finally able to find the little bunnies. I'm so excited for these because there's so much you can do with these little bunnies. They are adorable. I bought 3 packs of these. There were so many in my store. And I also bought the felt bunny head. I had never seen them in this size. I usually only see the large one, which is just 1 for $1, but these bring 12, which is really nice. Is this supposed to be a garland? No, but you can use it for one, and the colors are pretty nice. You know. In the automotive section, I found this car visor tissue kit, and that makes my little heart happy because I am always fumbling around trying to get a tissue for Aria. My car is really small on the inside, so having this up top and just doing one of these is kind of cool. They had a ton of these as well, and I have seen these in different Dollar Trees. Purchase more of these bamboo wreaths that they have now with little twine wrapped around them. If you haven't seen my videos, I'll leave the link in the description, but I've been using these a lot. I made a bunny out of these. I made a Hobby Lobby type umbrella with these. I love them. They happen to be my favorite at the moment, and they do come in 3 different sizes. So I believe this is the largest one, and then they have 2 other sizes, maybe. I don't know. And then I purchased this simply for the little incense holder thing right here. This is Rose Enchanting Aroma incense sticks. I'm not gonna lie, it does smell really good. However, I'm really sensitive when it comes to incense sticks. There's only one kind that I could successfully burn without having some sort of like allergic reaction. But I really do love this. This is beautiful and worth the $1 alone. So I'll probably give this to my sister so she can burn in her home since she's not allergic, and I'll use this for my little incense cones. In the same section, which is the candle aisle, I found these beautiful little scalloped candles. I have stopped buying candles at Dollar Tree, not for any reason other than the fact that I just had too many. I would buy them because I wanted to craft with them, and then it never happened, so I ended up with a big ol' heavy pile of them. So I refrained myself, but these were just too cute to pass up. Look how beautiful. The smell is nice and clean, so if I ever do burn them, I'm pretty sure I won't be disappointed. But just for the jar alone, just reusing this, how cute is that? So that is it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments what you'll be on the lookout for, or what I should be on the lookout for, because I know that they have really changed the game lately and added so many cool things. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I will hopefully see you on the next one.